Hello friends, this is Balbir with you. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So let's open Microsoft support website, download Windows 10 disk image and download Windows 11 disk image as well. The media creation tool is the easiest method to download Windows 10 disk image. Next, download Windows 11 disk image. Navigate to Windows 11 ISO page. Select Windows 11 from the menu. Under Download, select Windows 11 disk image. Click Download. Select your language and click Confirm. Click Download button that appears here. The ISO file will download on your computer now. Next, extract the Windows 10 ISO and Windows 11 ISO files. Next, navigate to Windows source folder. Find and delete install.esd file. Next, navigate to Windows 11 source folder. Find and copy install.wim. Then navigate to Windows 10 source folder and paste it here. Next, upgrade to Windows 11. Double-click this setup file to begin the Windows 11 upgrade process. Click Change how Windows setup downloads updates option. Select the Not Right Now option. Click the Accept button to agree to the terms. Click the Install button to upgrade while keeping your files and apps. Once you complete these steps, the setup will continue upgrading your PC to Windows 11. So this is how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 on your unsupported hardware. That's all for this video guys. Hope this helps. If so, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.